Hello and welcome. For those who don't know me, my name is Scott Zano from Scott Zano Realty Group and Keller Williams Luxury Real Estate, located right here on beautiful Cape Cod in Centerville, Massachusetts. Today, I will be your host. We hope everyone is doing well and staying safe and healthy. We want to thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Z Video and Infotainment, where we talk to amazing people in the community. We talk to people who have great businesses that we'd like to share with everybody, and we talk everything real estate. Today, we're going to reach out to a local business to help and inform and bring awareness to our community of what they do and what they offer. I think that you'll agree that businesses are so important for the community and that we all help each other to grow and support each other, right? So today, I have the privilege to speak with the founder, Rich Camaris, AKA the Crackman of A1 Foundation Crack Repair. So Rich, thank you so much for joining us today and sharing what you do to help people save money on their homes and how they can improve the value, the quality and the value of their property with your services. So thank you again for joining us. And Rich, where are you located and what are your hours of operation and how long have you been in business?
Yeah, we've been in business over 25 years, and the nice thing about our business is nobody has to bring a house to us. We go to you. Our main office is in Marlborough, Mass, and Hudson, but we're down the Cape 2 or 3 times a week. We also cover most of New England, Rhode Island, and Connecticut also.
Oh, wow. Okay, so you go to all those different states. Nice.
Yes, we do.
So Rich, how often are you on the Cape?
As I said, we're there 2 or 3 times a week.
Oh, okay.
Try to not make it on Fridays for obvious reasons, but we are taking care of a lot of properties on the Cape that do have foundation issues.
Okay, so we met on a job. We met actually at a seminar about a year ago, and I kept your name and your business card, and I had a home that needed your services. So that's how we met, and I was really impressed with your communication and how you were able to rectify the situation for the homeowner. So that's kind of how we met, and so I wanted to what is it exactly that you guys do? I know A1 Foundation Crack Repair is pretty broad, but what do you guys specialize in?
Well, there's a few areas. One is if there's a crack in your foundation, it'd be a
Okay.
poured concrete foundation. We can repair that with a warranty on that. We also take care of stone foundations, the repointing on stone foundations. And down the Cape, you have a lot of cinder block foundations. And cinder blocks and poured concrete foundations sometimes have bows in them. And I think we did a job for one of your clients where it was bowing. There was a belly being pushed in. And we use some structural weave carbon fiber straps to arrest, to stop any more movement on that. And it's saving a lot of deals, and it's a very cost-effective way to deal with that issue. We also install permanent lally columns. As you, as a realtor, are seeing, home inspectors are always picking on temporary lally columns. Those are ones with the little holes in them.
Yes.
That are not filled with concrete.
Yep.
The tree trunks that are out there, or the lally columns that are steel filled with concrete, they're rusted. So we're replacing those with concrete footings that we dig and pour and put rebar in. And that's the areas that we're really dealing with specifically in our business. Anything
So
else?
is it safe to say that, if your house has a crack, say in the foundation, and you're, say, a prospective buyer, and the home inspector says, geez, there's a little crack in the foundation, is it safe to say that that's something that you can repair safely for long term and it's not a deal breaker?
Oh, definitely. We can, 98% of them are non-structural cracks. So don't, a customer or a person should not be overly alarmed. It's, it costs less than $1,000 to repair it with a written transferable warranty. And here at A1 Foundation Crack Repair, that warranty is in writing and it's transferable. And that's what a buyer is looking for. And it saves a lot of hassles. In today's world, appraisers that go into the house for the banks, they're looking for things that they have to put in their report, such as cracks in foundations or lally column issues. So if you take care of them ahead of time, if you're listing your house, it's going to say you're going to have more buyers and you're not going to have to sell your house twice.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Rich, how did you get started in A1 Crack Repair? I mean, what, you woke up one day and said, I'm
I'm going to be the crack man. The way I started was by mistake. I was been doing flips since before the word was in existence. That's how old I am. And I had bought a house that had already had a fire. I knocked it down, put another house on top of the existing foundation. It was a split level. People wanted us to finish the basement. It had cracks, so they wanted us to fix it. And I did the research, talked to engineers, chemists, played with some techniques, and I fixed it. I was having breakfast with a buddy of mine that builds some developments. We're talking about it. He goes, I got some cracks in my foundation. And he said, well, could you fix it? You fixed yours. So I said, okay. And I started marketing it. And we're in Mass, Rhode Island, Connecticut, and Southern New Hampshire. 25 years, over 25 years later, second generation. And, I still love the business.
That kind of gets me into my next question is, what drives you after all these years and gets you up out of bed every day? And what is it, your passion, that drives you and gets you out of bed every day for, to go to work and help people? What is it?
Well, you said it. It's helping people.
Yeah.
I'm actually an ex-school teacher. I taught little kids. And it's the same thing. I'm educating people about their foundations, how they can repair them. And I enjoy that very, very much. And it's very rewarding to me to see the business grow to the benefiting not only the next generation, my daughter and my son-in-law, but also their children. And that's very, very rewarding for me.
Yeah, that's awesome. So you were the founder and now they've taken it over from what you were telling me earlier?
Yeah, and I'm still working over full-time for them because I like it.
Yep. No, that's great. That's great. What's your favorite part of the business?
I enjoy being on the phone with the customer, finding out what's going on, and usually between the discussion on the phone, as you can testify to,
Yep.
and maybe some pictures, I can usually offer a solution. I enjoy that one-to-one contact with the customer.
Excellent. Excellent. Where do you see A1 Crack Repair, say, in the next 5 years? Are you guys looking to expand? Are you looking to hire? I know you're in Rhode Island, Connecticut, Mass. Where else?
That's where we are, Mass, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New Hampshire, Southern New Hampshire.
Oh, okay, a little bit in New Hampshire. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, we're working to saturate more and more of the market. Let more people know about us. So our sales have been growing since origination. Even with the virus and so forth, our numbers are right there. We're not down. We're more and more people know us. They're referring us. We get a ton of reviews on Google, Angie's List.
Yeah.
And that's a great place to look and see how a company's doing.
Mm-hmm. What do you like to do in your free time, Rich?
Well, I have two little grandkids, one that's 5 and one that's 7, 18 months apart. Um, and they only live, oh, 6 miles away from us. And we spend a lot of time together. We vacation together and going to their baseball games or gymnastics meets. And um, I really enjoy doing that. And then I try to get off and do a fishing trip here and there, sometimes down the Cape.
Rich, let's face it, you have a very successful business there. You've been in business for over 25 years. What are the top priorities, say the top 3 priorities you think for running a successful business?
One is customer service. We answer the phone 7 days a week. And it's not just secretary or somebody. It's myself or my son-in-law that has 2 engineering degrees that answer the phone. And we do that from about 6:30 in the morning till about 8:30 at night. When a service business doesn't answer the phone, it's like having a retail store that's closed. I believe on answering the phone. It drives my family crazy, but we believe in that very much.
And it works, Rich, because when I was communicating with you, I mean, you would pick it up literally like on the first ring. And I love that because my time is important. And, the fact that you picked up the call and were able to speak to me right away. And if you didn't, you call me right back. But, time is money, and having to keep calling back, to get answers is kind of frustrating because we're trying to solve problems, right? That's what we do as real estate agents. We're in the real estate business and we sell houses, but we're problem solving along the way. And so it's nice to be able to, put a phone call into someone like yourself and, pick it up on the first or second ring and actually get somebody there that's willing to talk to us and not have a machine, so to speak. So kudos to you for that. That's huge. What's the best way for viewers to reach you if they have a situation? Are you you have your website?
Yeah.
You got Facebook or any social media or anything like that?
The best way to do it is very old fashioned. Pick up a phone and call us. We do have websites. We have, A1 Foundation Crack Repair. Take a look at us. But again, the phone number is the best way to contact us. That's immediate. We'll know what's going on and we can help you. And I can give you a direct number, which is 978-771-8827, 978-771-8827. Any of our other numbers relay to either myself or my son-in-law, Adam. He's known as the Crack Daddy, and we answer the phone.
Excellent, excellent. A1 Foundation Crack Repair. Like if I ask 5 people out in the street, A1 Foundation Crack Repair, what do you want people to think of and what are you known for?
We're known for answering the telephone. We're known for treating people the way we would want to be treated like family. And also we're known for getting the job done on time, communicating, and to do that on budget.
That's awesome. That's awesome. That's all really good stuff. So we want to kind of offer people like a little bit of a special. I know we talked about it earlier. So share with the viewers what you're willing to do should they call you and have a question or a concern. Share that with the viewers.
Certainly. I'm not a used car salesman or anything like that. What I offer is over 25 years of knowledge in the foundation repair business, where you can call me We can talk at length. You can send pictures. And that is a service that I give you that is worth more. For instance, I had a guy call me up. He had a foundation crack. He had companies in that wanted to do perimeter drains for $6,000 to $12,000 because he had a crack in a foundation. It's usually under $800 to do a foundation crack. And he had an appointment set to do the perimeter drain for, I think it was $11,000.
Wow. So
So
not only, yeah,
my knowledge is what I'm going to share with you when
okay.
you call me.
We really appreciate that. 25 years in the business, I'm sure you've seen it all, or most of it, and you can shed some light to some people on the phone if they were to call you with a question. So that's awesome, saving people money and getting their house or foundation or whatever it is, repaired is, I'm sure, very important to them. So share that phone number with us one more time so people can call you should they have a question or a concern.
Sure. 978-771-8827. 978-771-8827.
Okay.
You may actually want to put that in your cell phone because sooner or later you're going to need us.
That's right. I have it right there. You're at the top of my list, A1 Crackman. So we talked about foundation repairs how do you do that now? Is that with the injection like we talked about?
Yeah, there's three methods. We inject it, we drill small holes at angles to a crack if it's a poured concrete foundation. Put our ports in and inject the polymer resin with an electric pump. We can inject epoxies when needed. We can also use weave carbon fiber strap, structural or non-structural, in the situation. So we look at it like a doctor and decide what's the best method, because we're giving you a warranty and we want to do the best method. If you do the wrong method, you're liable to get an additional crack.
What would you say you guys are doing the most of these days? Like foundation crack repairs, the carbon fiber strips, like sump pumps? You're doing a lot of sump pump repair?
We do install sump pumps.
Okay.
Our majority of our business is, the standard crack repair,
Yeah.
using one of those methods. We're doing an awful lot of lally column and repointing also, stone foundations.
And do you do commercial as well as residential, or just residential?
No, we do commercial, we do elevator pits, we do waste treatment plants, we've done dams before, water treatment plants. So we're pretty diverse on what we can do when it comes to concrete. And for all your viewers, if you have any concrete problems, I may not be able to do the job, but I may be able to have somebody that does, or point you in a direction. That's the service that I offer.
Rich, you've been super helpful today. Thank you for all your help and your knowledge. And I look forward to having the viewers give you a call. I don't think there's a house that I've ever been in that doesn't have a small crack in the foundation somewhere just from settling. But if it's a little bit bigger than normal and it's a concern, please reach out to Rich. He's the pro, and he's the guy that's going to help you sleep at night a little bit better by helping you with these cracks in their foundation, or sump pump repair, lolly columns, carbon fiber strips, all that good stuff to keep your foundation of your home nice and solid, so there's no issues. And then when you go to sell it, you can get top dollar for it as well. So in closing, we just want to thank you for all your time and to share everything about your business today. And please reach out to Rich. You can get him on his phone, or you can reach him on his website at A1 Foundation at crackrepair.com, or give Rich a quick call on his number. One more time on your cell phone number, Rich.
978-771-8827.
Thank you so much. And again, if you're looking to buy or sell a great piece of property here on the Cape, please give us a call. We'll be happy to answer any questions. How big or small doesn't matter. Our door is always open. Give me a call at 508-566-0051. Rich, you're the best. Thank you so much. We'll continue to use you for all of our real estate needs. And we want all the viewers to please reach out to you and see what you can do to help them if they have any issues. Have a great day and a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.
Thanks a lot.
All right, Rich, talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.